Hey guys, so to prep Marvelous' skin, I'm taking a duo fiber brush and essential oils by MAC just to help hydrate and make that skin nice and glowy. She already has that nice pregnancy glow, so I'm just adding a little bit more to it. And I'm just taking a spoolie and I'm brushing her brow hairs into place. And I'm taking a eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna start carving out her brows. She does have a more finer brow like our mom. Her and my mom have like the same brow texture. So I'm just going in there just defining her brows a little bit more. Next, I am going to take some eyebrow powder by MAC, and this is in the color Spiked, and I'm going to take an angled brush and just run this product throughout her brows. Next, I'm going to go in with MAC Studio Fix Concealer, and this is in NC45. And I'm taking a concealer brush, and I'm going to start carving out underneath her eyes. This actually is in NW48. This is the Studio Fix Concealer, yes. Then on top, I took the Pro Longwear Concealer in NW45, I believe, and I start to carve out the top of her brows. And then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and buff out that concealer on top and underneath her brows. Next, I'm going to take that same Studio Fix Concealer and just use that as a base for her eyeshadows. And I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use two colors to start off her transition shade. She wore blue and white, so I wanted to keep it more warm, and she had a gold accessory, so I just wanted to make the eyes really warm. I'm going in with another Jaclyn Hill palette, taking a darker brown shade and just placing it in her outer V. I'm blending it in her crease and also towards the inner part of her eye as well. And then I lost some footage when I was putting on the eyeshadow, but this is me just packing on the eyeshadow. I'm using the Shayla Times ColourPop Perception palette, and I'm just packing. It's actually a light shade in that palette, but it's coming out very gold on camera. It's that shade right there. And yeah, just kept packing. I'm going to add some other colors on her lid as well. This is just the base. Then I am taking a little bit of, I believe this is the Naked Pigment or Vanilla. It's Vanilla Pigment by MAC. I'm placing that on her eyelid just to add a little bit more dimension. And these pigments are very lightweight, so it's not heavy or anything on her eyes. And then we gotta add some Oh, I'm going back in and blending first. Just blending out that dark chocolate color on her eyes. Then back to her mobile lid, I mixed Reflex Pearl and Reflex Gold on her eyelids just to give her eyes some more dimension and sparkle and shine, honey. Yes. I'm taking Black Track Eyeliner by MAC and lining her eyes. For foundation, I went in with the Studio Fix foundation. I used NW, 45 and a little bit of 48. So NW 45, NW 48, and mix them together. And then for concealer, I'm taking in C45 and placing it underneath her eyes and down the bridge of her nose, forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. I'm taking the MAC translucent powder and setting all her concealed areas. Y'all seen me do this on myself.
I'm back, guys.
Oh my God.
Mom does the most. And then I'm just going in with Studio Fix powders and setting her face. And then I'm going in with another Studio Fix powder, a little bit darker, in W58 to contour. Using a little bit of Sweetest Cocoa blush on her cheeks. Then I'm taking a Clinique eyeliner and lining her waterline. Then I'm going over the shadows that I put in her outer corner, that dark brown, and just place it underneath that black eyeliner. Just sweeping away any excess powder with her face powder. I'm just sweeping it all together. And she wanted really dramatic lashes, so these are 3D Mink lashes. She wanted to feel them. She's like, Ariel, I just want to feel my lashes. And I'm like, say no more, okay? I got you. A little Fix Plus. And I went in with the Hyper Real Glow by MAC, the gold palette. And I just went in and highlighted her up real nicely. Of course, mascara is major key. Cannot forget your mascara. Then I lined her lips with Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC. She wanted a neutral lip. She didn't want any like pop of color or anything. And y'all forgive me, I don't remember what lipstick I used. I used the MAC nude palette the nude lipstick palette, but I don't remember which one it is. I do apologize, but I remember the gloss. This is see-through gloss that I put on her lips. She really liked this lip gloss. See-through looks good on any skin tone. And it's lip glass. I'm sorry, MAC lip glass and see-through. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just went back over her lips with a little bit of lip liner. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.